How to take a screenshot on MacBook. So here is a complete guide on taking screenshots on MacBook. So let's get started. First of all, to capture the entire screen, press Command Shift plus 3 together. All you have to do is tap on the Command Shift and 3 for the entire screen. The screenshot is automatically saved to your desktop or your chosen location. You will see a thumbnail in the corner for quick edits in your macOS version. So as you can see, I have just took a screenshot. My photo or screenshot will be saved on my desktop. So now for the selected portion of the screen, press Command plus Shift plus 4. Your cursor changes to a crush here. Click or drag to select the area and just release to capture. Once you release, it will be captured and saved like the previous one on your desktop or your selected region. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.